Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? This is Shami Vlog Ug, creator from Kampala, Uganda, and yeah, we are in Nairobi city. Stay tuned for more. Is yet to come. Kindly come and check me out on Shami Vlog Ug, and if you're from Shami Vlog, go and subscribe on Shifting News.
He's a great YouTuber, a very big one. You know, sometimes when we meet big people, it means we are destined for greatness.
Wow, and you have beautiful women here. Wow.
So visit and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And this is the usual suspects.
Miss Tinas World, you know me.
Visit her channel. Sometimes it's just a good place to start the videos. You can find the vehicles on this road. You hear that? It is they are saying that chopper.
Shifting News. Explore,
Remaining only one
feel,
person. Moja
shift.
kama roho. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening to you, all our supporters. I'm sure all of you have watched our videos and you understand this place very well. Sometimes it's just a good place to start the videos and a good place to bring in the amazing vibes, and that is the sculpture of Tomboya. It was placed, I think he was assassinated near this place, and it was placed near this area along Moi Avenue, but the Tomboya Street is on the other side. Thank you to all our returning supporters. You mean a lot to us. We also thank God for the far as the channel continues to grow. We keep the spirits high. We always try to connect to different streets as we watch the vibes, as we understand the vibes. Today seems to be a very relaxing day for most people. We are trying to see how this town is organized. Right now we are along this Tomboya Street. What do you think of Tomboya Street? And to all our returning supporters, we say thank you. You are great people, and you can see we have more constructions happening here in this Nairobi CBD. Businesses here and there, for sure. This is our thing, and your encouragement means a lot to us. In one of our videos we had Wilfred Emayot. Shout out to you. You said you love our content, and that's why you have been supporting us for all years along, and we say thank you for the spirit. And also we had Alfred Mutisia. I don't know if I'll manage to get the comment from Alfred Mutisia. If I remember, I'll set the comment here to just highlight how they always teach us, because we had Alex Kibe who said about the tides, and also Alfred Mutisia said loves what we are doing, and also told us for the yellow cabros that is along the underpass, the Green Park underpass. They are blind guide sidewalk. So we always appreciate for the support, we always appreciate for the guidance, and we keep learning more. And we are on this road. If you want vehicles heading to Meru, Egoji, Maua, this is the road you can come to board Chogoria, Chuka, that is Chuka Town, Chuka University. You can find the vehicles on this road. You hear that it is, they are saying that chopper. It's remaining only one person, moja kama roho, yeah? Single like heart. Oh, an individual cannot have multiple hearts. You only have one. That's the vibe within this Nairobi city. And we are headed to meet some people. I hope you will enjoy the vibe as we cross the different areas, as we talk about different things, because that is the vibe we keep here, the spirits. Meru. You see, we have different prices, different, you can find, that is 400. Hey, hello? Yes. Almost kwa hizi magari za Tahmid. You know where they are? Yeah, or let me tell you, niko Kenneth Matiba Road. So just give me a few, we'll be there. Yes. Which one specifically? Unajua kuna junctions kadhaa. Oh, side ya karibia OTC. Ukikaribia OTC. Yeah. Yes. Aha. Hapo karibu na hiyo unaona hiyo street yenye inaingianga magari za Rwanda? Yes. Sawa. So right now we are on this river road. You know where businesses happen. River Road is where we have businesses. So trying to locate some friends and just see how downtown is. The cabros are not in place. This is a bit wanting. When you go on the other side of Uptown, it is receiving some good TLC. We have good upgrades happening there, beautification. So I don't know, because since they have excavated the previous big cabros, we call them cabros, and most likely they will be bringing in more advanced or more modern cabros to make sure the whole of this city becomes so beautiful and can also attract more visitors in these parts. So I'll be meeting some of my Ugandan friends. They are here. Hi.
Hey.
How did you?
How you came from behind?
Yes.
Hello. Something news. Now that wait, I'm the one to introduce. Accepting news family coach.
Yes.
I introduce to you the mighty, the great,
The big.
the big people from Uganda. Shami Vlog Ug.
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? This is Shami Vlog Ug, creator from Kampala, Uganda, and yeah, we are in Nairobi city. Stay tuned for more. Is yet to come. Kindly come and check me out on Shami Vlog Ug, and if you're from Shami Vlog, go and subscribe on Shifting News.
You look great, and you seems you are on transit.
I'm on transit.
Wow.
This is
Then I introduce to you the biggest man, the man from Kampala.
Yeah.
The man with the heavy voice.
Yeah, he's the one.
Bro, hi.
Niaje?
Poa sana. Karibu.
Nowadays people know
Because I'm always here 100% Niaje.
Yeah. Right now
Okay.
even me, Tanzania has taught me Swahili.
Ah,
Naongea Swahili.
ile mufti ama unajua Swahili ya TZ is different with Kenyan.
And it's the best by the way.
Really?
Yeah. It's the original Swahili.
And they understand English?
What is it? Original?
You find people who understand and you find people who don't understand, so.
Okay. So you are doing the introduction, so we haven't
Can you
finished.
be walking, please? Me, I don't like the attention of those behind.
So this is Joel Obertan,
Joel
A
Obertan.
YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda.
the great man.
Thank you.
You know, I would have welcomed you people here, but already you have been here. Kenya is like your second home.
China is like our second.
For me, actually, I'm surprised I've never made a video here.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, I've never vlogged in Nairobi city. Like, I just actually I passed here like twice, but then I've never vlogged here before.
But
Okay.
then we're going to vlog when we come
But then
back.
when I return, I promise an interesting adventure.
So you be careful, you point your camera on the other
Sina
side.
yayo kamera hiyo.
Point on the other side.
Sina yayo kamera hiyo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like we're going to vlog when we come back. Serious vlogging.
Ah, that's great.
These people, they hate they hate cameras. But
Yeah,
I
you-
don't know that people are also working.
Yeah, sometimes it's you know, they always think you are recording them.
They are great, but,
Yes.
Very aggressive.
guys, and she's great apart at you.
So Joel, let's hear from you.
Yes, yes.
How is everything?
Everything is okay.
Yes.
Actually, the weather in Nairobi now,
Yes.
I don't know if the season is like sunny. Really nice for me. I like it.
Yeah, currently the weather is changing.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Bro, this is the best time to like make interesting adventures. Wow.
But you are used to Nairobi. I think the weather is always comfortable with you.
No, actually, I'm not used to Nairobi
Ah.
because I've never been here.
Really?
I've just come now to transit to go to another place.
Oh,
Now that's how this is like the second time I've done that.
okay. Yes.
Then I promise to come back
Yes.
and make interesting adventure.
Wow. That's interesting. You know, I started watching you back in 2023
Wow.
when you were in Nyabohansa.
Yes, you have had it. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Now, this is how,
So you want to go to Nyabohansa?
like what?
No, I never visited there, but I
visit
used to
in October.
watch you,
Yeah.
especially like you when you are with Harriet Anabu. You are cooking.
Okay.
Yeah. But have you ever cooked for him at okay?
I don't know.
We are yet to.
We have just met the other day.
Should have that Matoke experience.
But I have ever visited Uganda. I have ever visited Uganda and had the experience of, they call it, is it Katogo?
Katogo.
Yes.
Was it homemade or hotel?
No, the one along the highway.
Highway?
Yes.
No, you should get that homemade one.
Uh-huh.
The best.
Hopefully I'll be doing that soon.
Yeah, sure. So we'll link up.
Yes.
When you come into Uganda,
Yes.
we'll meet up.
Wow.
We'll link up. When we're returning here,
Yes.
we'll make interesting adventures. I'll
Yeah.
be here for like 2 weeks.
Oh, that's interesting.
Make interesting adventures here.
Okay.
Like never before.
Ah.
Yeah, I hope we find when he's still around.
Yes. You should be around.
For me,
Yeah.
Nairobi is like home. So guys, visit Joel Obertan He's a great YouTuber, a very big one. You know, sometimes when we meet big people, it means we are destined for greatness.
Wow, and you have beautiful women here. Wow.
So visit and subscribe to his channel. And I think they are highly traveled. And as you heard, they are on transit.
Yes.
And also you have Shami Vlog.
Shami Vlog Ug. That's important. Because if you don't put the UG, they don't come. Shami Vlog Ug. Come and also check me out.
Yes.
And we're going to be back to create more memorable content here in Nairobi.
Wow.
Yeah.
And this is the usual suspects.
Miss Tinas World, you know me.
Visit her channel. So guys,
We are looking for
watch our next vlog where we will be telling you more. Thank you and see you in our next shift.
Sure. Hey, bro.
Shifting news. Explore